Hello, I'm Master Chinmay Gagawane. I've completed my BE in Computer Science from Guru Gobind Singh College of Engineering, Nasik. I have been here in Qspiders from July 2023, and it's been a nice experience over here. The staff over here is very helpful. The trainers are really helpful. They take the mocks over here. They provide you everything which is needed for the, what you can say, a nice job placement. And after everything, they take a lot of, what you can say, credit for, like, we give the credits for them. Like, they have really helped us a lot, and I would like to thank them for the placement for after this. I've been placed inside Praxis Info Solutions, which is in Kothur, and the package for that is 2.4 LPA, and the designation is as an SQL developer.